Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titus. Now in this video, it's going to be a little bit different. I am going to do another unboxing, but this time we're going to be unboxing the gender of our child. So if you guys weren't already aware from my previous videos, we did post that we did go through a miscarriage and that was a challenging time, but praise God that we were blessed with another child. So we asked one of our friends to received the envelope, to which the sonographer revealed the gender, and only our friend knows about it, and we asked that friend to actually put a specific plant in this box. So if our child is a boy, then we asked her to put this plant, showing on this image right here. We don't know yet, but in future you'll know, to put it in here. And if our child is a girl, then we asked her to put this plant here. Okay, so that image will be there right beside March. Alright, so hopefully that's going to be big enough. So we both don't know what's in here and we're both really excited. Are you excited? What are you hoping for?
I'm hoping for baby.
Okay, yeah, we'll just hope that. Alright, so whew.
I have a feeling.
Yeah, okay, what's your feeling?
It's a boy.
Okay, I kind of have a feeling that it might be a boy too, because the sonographer kind of slipped during the time when they were doing it, but you know, we don't know because we couldn't see anything from the images. Alright, are you ready?
No! Yes. Are we opening it now?
Do you want to open it tomorrow? Or are we doing this today?
Wait, so we're opening the box like that. We won't see the plant.
We will. So we will reveal it.
I don't have glasses on.
No, you don't need to. You'll see it, but I'll show you.
Hold on.
Okay. Alright, are you ready?
I think it's a boy.
Alright, let's go. Wait, do we bet on something?
No.
Alright, so whoo.
We're doing it?
Yeah, of course. Alright, ready?
Ah!
Set, go. I think we need to this is suspense. Yeah, ready? I think we're gonna show it to you guys. Are you ready? Okay.
Hold on. I'm so excited.
Okay, yeah.
Ah! Look, my hands are sweaty.
Yeah, maybe we should just open it.
No, wait.
Okay. Oh, by the way, guys, if you didn't know, Marge made this box. Look how pretty it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's too much light.
I didn't make it.
No, she didn't. It's pre-made, actually. Alright, ready? Set. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure? Yes. Okay, ready? I think we have to just do it. We just have to do it. Set.
Are you looking at the box?
Yeah, I'm looking at the box. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, wow. Oh. I'm happy, but I always thought it was gonna be a boy. Sorry guys, we have to show you guys.
It's a girl!
Hang on, hold that. Wow. So you guys can't even see it. It's so bright. Alright guys, so here it is. We are having a baby girl. Alright. That was so unexpected because all this time we were thinking it's gonna be a boy.
I really thought it was a boy.
Me too. Oh man. So we are having a baby girl. Woohoo!
So exciting! Are you surprised?
Yeah, super surprised.
You look like this.
Yeah, because all that time I thought it was gonna be a boy. Wait, just to confirm, guys, we're gonna open the envelope that we gave to our friend. Marge is going to get it now. Hang on. Alright, so just to make sure, guys, that it's definitely a girl, here is the envelope that the sonographer gave, that we gave to our friend. So we're going to open it. Oh, it's just a random note. Here, hold this. Alright, so we'll reveal it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, you can't even see.
Is it upside down?
There. Oh, you can't really read the writing. It's almost like a doctor's writing. It's upside down, that's why. Alright, no wonder why you guys can't read it. It was upside down. So it is a baby girl. Oh wow, we're having a baby girl. Alright, so anyway, that's it guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then please click that like button. If you want to see me make more videos like this, please click that subscribe button. If you want to see more of Marge in my videos that I make, then please let me know down in the comments down below. Otherwise, that's it guys. We'll see you guys on the next video. Till then, goodbye and God bless.